I picked up a set and they just had this fall Amazon Prime sale thing going on. So I obviously picked these up on Amazon. But I wanted to let you guys kind of know what these are and maybe why you guys might be interested in them. Because they are quite unique in, well, what they are, what they do. And, well, let's go ahead and get into it. So here's the box. These are going to be 3/8 inch drive. Of course, you're going to be different sizes. For me, I use 3/8 a lot, and I wanted to get a set that's kind of more mobile. And so the manufacturer on this is, I think it's Mozo. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, guys. But basically, this is going to be a Chinese-made set that is made available here for the U.S. market. And what they've done is they made a universal kind of 3/8 socket set and accessories rail. And in the case of these, they come in three. You see mine here. I got more. I ordered two of these sets, so I got a total of six. To hang on here. And what they do is they allow you to carry all of your sockets on this one ring, or you could modify it to be however you want it to be. For the time being, it's on this ring, and it's going to be pretty easy to grab them and throw sockets on. How does the action work on these? Well, very simple. It's got this ball detent here, much like your ratchet. And then what you do is you slide down to allow your socket to go on there. As long as your socket has that recess that you see inside here that allows for the ball detent to drop into, it will allow it to go on, and it's nice because you just push down and then it locks itself on. And now unless you push it or pull it or do something to it, it's going to stay on there relatively well. I don't think I could pull this apart by hand with my force. I cannot. So you have to take your hand and push down to release the socket. So great little invention there. I mean, and they're not the first to do it. These have popped up, but I haven't seen them at this price or at this availability. Now, these are going to be anodized aluminum rings here. You can see there's a accessible C-clip there to get inside there if you need to. But this rotates nice and freely, no problems. And all you do is push down to release it. Now, this here, and everything I could tell from, I mean, they're not giving you much information, but this seems like chrome vanadium, much like you'll get with your sockets, your impact sockets. So they're going to be much stronger than, maybe it's something more like these pliers. These are much better at long-term abuse than, say, something like that. And then as far as the ability to carry them, they come with these little rings, and these aren't even bad either. These little kind of like key rings. A little bit longer in this dimension, which is nice. But say you don't like that, maybe you want to run a wire through there, you could do that. Or maybe you don't like this carabiner, which isn't a great carabiner by any means. But maybe you have your own carabiner. Maybe you have a long carabiner. Or say you got a kind of one of these carabiners like this, where you could just kind of throw them all on. And then you hook this, say, to your bag or to you. And then all your sockets kind of hang on there like so. And that way you could carry all of them in one location. And I like that because, for me, if I need to go mobile, I want something that just hooks up really nice and holds everything on there. It's easy enough to just throw, especially in my top picks. Like, I don't need every single socket on that. Especially if I say go to the junkyard, which this might be what this set is going to be for. I could just put on the top popular ones that I run and then have one on my ratchet too. But there you go. You're going to have everything all laid out in one location, which is going to make it super, super easy to be able to just access these. And then as I need to go, oh, hey, I need this one, pops right off. Put it back on. Same thing, push down. Locks in. If you want to take this one off, push down, pull, comes off. Put it back on. Just push as I go like that. Yeah, one great place to have it all hanging. And even if you have it hanging like that, that's not bad either. That doesn't work terrible. So it's kind of up to you. What do you want to do? How do you want to have them organized? How do you want them all placed together? Maybe I take the key rings, make them smaller. Maybe I keep them the way they are. I mean, I don't hate the way it looks right now. I mean, this all kind of fits together. just fine. But I like that the access is quick. I like that I could hang it from something. And they're not going to go flying off of there. I'll have them all together. They'll stay in one spot. Guys, I thought I was dumb, but I did some more playing around, and I think I found an even better solution. Instead of even just running these carabiners, or the large carabiner you just saw me with, I think that you can even take this one step further and use an actual tool that you'd be using on the job site or just in general be carrying on you. And that being said, you could use an extension. I have a shorter one here too. I think this one will work as well. But the great thing about this is you could just loop them in there. I went ahead and I put a washer here, guys, because I wanted this to actually sit like so. And you can just kind of let these all hang down and around. And then you have all of your sockets here together hanging from these little detachment rings. And then as you need them, you just pull them off, slip them back on like so. Sorry, kind of hard to do while I'm on the camera, but locks into place. And then you just let these all just kind of dangle as you need. Or you could throw them inside your bag in a pouch and let them just kind of hang inside there like so, or what have you. But what's cool is even if even if I took this off, these would still sit on here. They would go over the top of this, and this is a Harbor Freight part number 2, guys. This is going to be their Pittsburgh Pro locking extensions. But what's great about that is even if you push down on these, this is the lock position. It's only going to make this lock harder on the end. And all I could do is put a socket that's big enough on the end here to keep all these rings from sliding off, because they'll eventually work their way over the collar here, which is fine. But otherwise, you just pull up on this to unlock it, and then all those would come off. Well, I decided I wanted to have the ability to permanently keep them on. And all you do is find a washer. That's about 12 millimeter on the inside diameter, and there's plenty of washers that work for that. And then that way I could just let it all sit there and dangle as I need. And then I have this one extra spot for putting a socket that I need on the end. Lock it in place. There you go. Ready to go. And then I like the idea on this end too is sacrifice one on this end so you can actually hang it from something. Maybe it's from your pouch, maybe it's from your bag, whatever. And then you have one that hangs and holds everything in place and they don't go anywhere. Or go like so, and as you need it, release the whole thing. And you can use this still as an extension if you need to, especially if you have this washer off. But if you have the washer on there, well, it's now a dedicated carry tool. And then if you want to go even further, you could stack more washers inside there to help separate them if you want, or a spacer. Let's say you want to run SAE and metric. Throw the spacer inside there as well, and you could space out your tools all on this extension here. So just some ideas, guys, and it's just barely big enough it can't come off this end. Otherwise, you could, actually, I think if you... No, it won't quite fit off of the head. Actually, there you go. Got it. So in a pinch, you could squeeze it off the top here, but this is where you'd be carrying it from. So kind of nice. You can pull it from either side if needs be. So you're not completely locked in. But it's easy to put that in there. If you want to put the washer on, just go ahead. There's your Torx. Remove that. Pull it out. That slides right off. Everything stays in place. And then you put the washer back on. Maybe put a little bit of a blue Loctite on there. Make sure it doesn't want to back out on you. But that'll hold everything in place for you. Yeah, so what you think, guys? And if they get a little cockeyed, you just flip them over and down, and then they go back down. Easy enough to carry. They all stay organized. So what you guys think? Again, it's on Amazon. I'll put a link down below in the description for you guys. Pricing for these, I think they're on sale right now. They kind of roll around between $12 and $13 when they're on sale. They do make a 5-piece set, but that one's like, I think like 26 bucks. You're further ahead. It's actually more than 26. I think it's like 27 or 28. You're just further ahead to get the 2 6-pack or 2 3-packs. Get to the 6 for 26 or 25, whatever that number ends up being. And yeah, so 13 bucks a set for these. And I think for long term, something that you're interested in that works for you, why not? Just hang them all from these quick releases. Because let's be honest, this setup works fine if it's in your drawer, but this does not hold well. And even the plastic ones, I got a whole bunch of different types of these rails. They just don't hold well and take an abuse when they get beat around. And that's my problem I have is these get beat up a lot. And I want to see how these hold up. I mean, we're talking about, again, chrome vanadium. Much stronger metal. The thing that might break maybe are these little rings, but they look pretty good too. Pretty decently robust. I'm going to give them a shot, see how they do. But love to hear your guys' thoughts. Have you used something like this? Ran something like this? I'd love to hear what you guys think. Is it worth your time? Is it not? Because for me, organizing the sockets that I need to use really makes it easy for me to go get the job done and not have to lose them in the process. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. And as always, we'll talk to you soon.